Good morning and welcome to KKCL TV. We are very busy with our excursions. Dennis has prepared a reportage about this group of students in London. Dennis.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi. And we are about to visit
London.
As you can see, tried some interesting Chinese food, which is amazing. It tastes better than our regular chips.
五香榨菜，
好味道，中国好味道。
Thank you, Dennis. That was really nice. What's now? Well, students have something very important to say. Let's go to Trafalgar Square. And you are live. That's it? That's it? Really? From the canteen, a group of students came very hungry. Let's see how KKCL and our activity leader, Leah, responded to this emergency.
Shall I?
Can you introduce the pizzas, please?
Introduce the pizzas. So this is Mike. That's Stephen. And that's Jeremiah.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
So you're welcome. Say hi.
Thank you, Leah, and save a slice for me, because I'm coming. Bartolo from British Museum.
Thank you, everybody. This is Bartolo for KKCL TV, and we are at the British Museum with a group of Italian people. We are with Domenico that now is showing us a trick, a magic trick. Thank you very much. And this is all for KKCL TV. Back to your studio.
Wow, that was impressive. During summer, KKCL goes to Harrow School, also known as Harry Potter School. KKCL Juniors is partnering with Young Talent Festival. This two-day festival is supported by Harrow School and it takes place in August. Here is a clip from KKCL's Got Talent. Young Talent Festival takes place in August in Harrow School. If you are passionate about performing art, drama or dance and want to perform in London, to know how to apply, please visit the website www.youngtalentfestival.com or drop an email to info@youngtalentfestival.com. And this is all for KKCL TV. My name is Mario. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. See you next time!